Hi there, I'm Marcelo Vercelli from Chameleon Labs, and today we're rolling out our new 7721 VCA compressor. Chameleon Labs has been making bus compressors now for well over 15 years, and this is the latest version, which we started with very much a clean sheet of paper. We wanted to have a significant number of new features, and we spent about 2.5 years working on it. So I apologize to those guys out there who have been waiting for it. The good news, however, is that it's a wonderful new product, and we're very happy with the way it performs, specifically in the area of the precision of the controls, the feature set, which I think is one of the richest feature sets you're going to find out there for certainly a product in this category. And overall the noise performance, which is insanely low. I wanted to take some time to kind of walk through you some of these features and some of the ways in which we improve this particular design. First of all, the compressor is a stereo in, stereo out, so left, right in, left, right out. We have a side chain input, which you can use, you can feed it a specific type of triggering signal. Has a built-in high-pass filter, your standard 4 controls for threshold, attack, release, and compression ratio. We added a blend knob, which allows you to blend the output signal of the device between the clean input signal and the compressed signal. So you could use that device to either get something a little bit softer in terms of creating a very high attack ratio, or slow attack time, fast attack time with a high ratio, and then you might want to blend that into the original signal, or you can just put it on full wet and get a completely compressed audio signal out of it. It has a very useful VU meter, so it allows you to individually monitor the left and right inputs, the left and right outputs, and also use it to monitor the gain reduction. In addition to that, we added some other interesting little controls. One is being able to choose between a peak detection, so where we're actually looking at the peak of the signal to actually engage the control signal, which engages the compressor, or looking at RMS, and RMS is more of an average amount of time. Something where you might be compressing vocals, you might be using the peak detector. If you're compressing something in the area of guitar or bass guitar or even drums, you might be wanting to use an RMS detection, which allows the compressor just a little bit more time to run through the calculations and actually engage the compression. We also changed the knee, and the knee, we'll be able to talk about this a little bit more graphically with the instrument that I have hooked up today. But we want to actually get it to not only act like a softer type of knee, a softer type of compression versus something that's hard, which actually looks more like a straight up limiter. So between these things and the side chain, we wanted to build something that was extremely versatile, that had lots of different applications. And in this particular case, the circuitry is all Class AB and lots of ICs inside. This allows us to keep the noise level extremely low, well below 110 dB in terms of floor, and gives you some really interesting tools to deal with.